What's up YouTube? How you doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Men in Black Neuralyzer. It's going to use some LEDs and it's a good movie prop, but the best part is it's actually going to light up pretty bright. It won't erase any memories, but it's going to look pretty cool. One note that you should know is that I'm going to be diving into some pretty simple circuitry today. It's going to be pretty simple. The components I use is pretty easy to acquire. All of the components that I use today are actually, I just found around my house, except for one that I got from my friend Rowan. But yeah, and it's pretty simple to put together, especially if you have a little bit of experience already with breadboard circuitry. And if you don't, that's okay. I'm going to try to be as detailed as I can. And of course, I'm going to leave a list of all the materials we'll need today in the description below. So yeah, there's not much else that I need to say about this, so let's cut to the chase and let's get to it. Well, let's start with the circuit first. So this is the circuit that I used. It contains a simple breadboard, a battery, wires, a button, and an LED. So you're going to need those, and I'm going to teach you how to put this together. And it's a simple circuit for experienced people who have experience with circuitry like this, especially breadboard circuitry. It should be really easy to put together, but for those who are not, I'm going to walk you through it very carefully. Alright, well, let's get started. So I have the pieces of cardboard here, the big one and the two medium ones, and I have the circuit that we made a while ago over here, and yeah, I put some electric tape around it to secure everything. It still works fine, and if I bent this a little bit that way, so it should be good. I'm gonna turn on my lamp too, to give some extra light. Is that too bright? There, that's good. Okay, so we're going to make the frame. First, you're going to want to fold this big cardboard into 6 little segments, and you're going to want to overlap it so overlap 2 of them, so there are only 5 when you roll it up. And then what I did was that I cut it so that I took out I cut half of one segment and half of the 2 others on the other side. And when you roll it up, it looks a little bit like that. And this is this opening because we're going to need to be able to press the button when it's on here. So I'm just going to be putting cardboard on top of each other and assembling it. And just if you are making this, just watch closely, and I will try to be as detailed as I can. So this is one of the smaller pieces of cardboard, virtually this one, but I just cut a small hole into it, and that is where we will see the light later on, so yeah. Alright, well it's coming along pretty well, still works. Now we're going to make the dome type thing that comes out of here, and we're just going to take this piece of cardboard. This one is it's a 2 by 2 inch square piece of cardboard, and I made dome arrow-shaped indentations onto it, and we're gonna cut it like this. And in the end, we're going to have 4 of these, which we will turn into a dome. So here we are. I just finished the dome, and now I'm going to add it. To operate it, all you have to do is press the button back here and... ooh. Alright, and well, at this point we're pretty much done. It works, all you have to do is press that button and lights up. So now we're going to paint it. And once we're done, so basically we're just going to paint everything gray, paint some stuff white, and in the end it'll look a little bit like this. And well, to replace the battery, or if there's a problem with the circuit, all you have to do is slip it out through here. I made it so that the dome can be easily taken out of the top, and I can just slip the circuit out, and then all I have to do is slip it back in. And that's pretty much all there is to it. In the end, it's going to look like this. It's pretty cool. I'm about to put it up on my wall. Wait, have you guys seen my wall? Yeah, it's pretty great. The Gadgetsmith Hall of Fame. So yeah, but enough of that. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for future builds, feel free to comment below or DM me on Instagram at _Gadgetsmith. And if you have time, please go ahead and check out the official Gadgetsmith website. It's pretty cool, very aesthetic, and I have a list, a full schedule of all of the videos that's going to come out every month. So you get to see the list of videos, even the ones that have not come out yet. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Of course, I will leave a link to it in the description below. So yeah. Thanks everyone, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.